Ever wondered how to add auto captions to your videos using CapCut? It's an essential tool for enhancing content accessibility and viewer engagement. Today you'll learn just how easy it is in 6 simple steps. Firstly, begin by opening your CapCut project. This should contain the video you wish to add captions to. Ensure your video is primed and ready for the captioning process. Moving forward, it's time to explore the subtitle feature in CapCut. It's conveniently located in the toolbar at the bottom, and it's typically represented by a speech bubble icon. Easy to find, right? Now it gets exciting. Choose Auto Captions within the subtitle menu. Here, CapCut flexes its muscles, automatically generating captions based on your video's audio. A real time saver, isn't it? But don't rush off just yet. Once the auto captions have been generated, it's important to review and edit them. Ensure they're accurate, making any necessary adjustments. After all, quality captions are the goal here. And who says captions need to be plain? In CapCut, you can customize the style of your captions. Play around with the font, size, and color to match your video's aesthetic. It's these little touches that add a professional flair to your content. Now for the final step. Before you rush to finalize everything, take a moment to preview your video with captions. Make sure everything looks just as you envisioned. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and save or export your video, now complete with auto captions. And there you have it! You've successfully added auto captions to your video in CapCut. This simple step can greatly improve accessibility and engagement for your content. Remember, the magic of content creation lies in the details. So, until next time, keep creating, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep learning.